Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I don't know too much what we're going to be doing, but I can tell you the car is looking pretty dirty. Yeah, that's gross. So we got our quarters, we're going to the car wash. So here we go. Quick tip, if you go to a car wash, don't try to put them in the bottom one. You gotta put them in the top. I don't know what I was doing. Alright everybody, so I figured out what we're doing next in today's video. We are installing this new license plate frame I got for the Camaro. It says Camaro RS, pretty cool. So, of course it's raining. You have to pull the car about halfway out, and then we will put it on. Alright, so yeah, I just got this license plate cover very recently. I don't know the website at the moment. I'll put it right about there, hopefully, so you guys can check it out, see where I got it from. Not a paid product placement whatsoever, but it looks pretty cool. Hopefully it'll install fairly easy. So obviously I don't have a license plate bracket right now. This one, I've never put one of these on before. It should be fairly simple. The instructions look a little more confusing than I think they need to be. But hopefully it goes okay. I got the whole ratchet set out here. I didn't know what to expect, so I'm going to try to set you guys up over there, hopefully, and so you can see how this goes on. Hopefully it's fairly easy, and so let's get to it. Okay, step one, remove the license plate frame, or the license plate. Okay, we can remove the license plate, we're good. Step two, assemble the license plate and frame in your hands. If you guys can see these instructions, there are quite a few, well, not a ton, but there's a bunch of little pieces down at the bottom. So I will try to do that now, and I'll be right back. So, it was actually a lot easier than I expected it to be. Essentially, all you have to do is take the screw, or the bolt, and put it through this little white plastic piece. Put it through there, and then put it through the license plate and the frame, and then you just screw these right on to the back of the car, and then these little black caps, they just snap on, but I don't know how to do it yet, so I can screw it. But I'll just snap it on over there, you guys get the point. It's supposed to be just pop on, and then I'll be done, so... Okay, so you guys might have noticed there. Got to the snap caps. They were supposed to be really easy, and they were a little more difficult than I thought. But essentially, the little plastic piece, you need to screw the screw until the little white plastic piece starts to squish just a little bit, and then it's supposed to, if I can find this, it's supposed to just pop on then. This one, whoops, this one worked. This one worked fine. I feel like this one is stripped. The threads might be stripped because it won't. So I'm just gonna keep working on it, and I hope I can get it working. If I can't get it working, I will, I guess, I'll put it either way. I'll put it in the comments below, or in the description, one of the two. Hopefully I get it on. But yeah, not too bad to install. It's fairly simple. The instructions looked a little confusing. Once I read through them with putting the parts together, as they said, it was really quite easy. So definitely a very easy do-it-yourself project. If you go on the Car ID website, which hopefully I put earlier, I'll put it in the description below too. Lots of cool stuff, including license plate frames, and that's where I found this one. So, you know, something special to personalize your vehicle. Pretty simple and cost-effective little modification, if you want to call it that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more install type videos, I have a few that I could show you, so just let me know in the comments below also. And yeah, just hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Sorry, but I know I just signed out, but I realized what I did wrong. So the plastic piece is supposed to go inverted so that the screw can slide inside of it. So it slides into it, then the plastic clip clips on fine, of course. So that's the issue. I'm going to try to switch the other one, but now you guys know the screw needs to go into, screws through in the inside of the white plastic piece. So that was my mistake. Glad I figured it out. We'll see you guys next time.